Alright, we're here at the SkyConnect platform, and we're gonna ride these elevators that take you down to where you can enter the parking garage. These are called the purple gold elevators. Notice how the color scheme is pretty similar. Purple and gold on this side, and green and orange on the other. It's basically the same, except here instead of brown, you have gold.
Elevator is going down.
We're gonna go to 1.
Welcome to SkyConnect, providing fast and easy access.
Floor 1, lobby.
Here we are at 1. We're gonna go back up to 4.
Elevator is going up. Floor 4. Elevator is going down.
We're gonna go down to 1. We're gonna do a ride and a half on these. Since I'm gonna go to the purple and gold garage elevators next. Here's your
Floor
certificate.
1, lobby.